Looking for the best carpet cleaner that gets the job done without the hassle? Today we're diving into 5 top-rated wet vacuums, from budget basics to full-powered beasts, ranked from weakest to best. Starting off at number 5, we have the Koblenz WD-2L. It's a compact, super lightweight wet-dry vac designed more for quick cleanups than heavy-duty carpet scrubbing. Think of this one as a mini shop vac that just happens to work on wet messes too. The WD-2L is really all about portability. Weighing under 6 pounds with a compact frame, it's easy to carry around your garage, car, or workshop. It offers decent suction for its size and includes a blower mode too. For light spills or tiny spaces, it actually punches above its weight class. But here's the catch. It's not really made for carpets. There's no brush roll, no scrubbing mechanism, and the cord is only 6 feet long. So while it's great for wet pickups or dry messes, it just can't compete with dedicated carpet cleaners when it comes to deep cleaning. If you're looking for a budget-friendly wet-dry vac for small jobs around the house or car, this one might fit. But if carpets are your main concern, let's move on to something with a bit more cleaning power. In 4th place, we've got the Shark PX202BRN. This little guy is a dedicated spot cleaner designed for tackling tough stains on carpets, furniture, or car interiors. It's compact, lightweight, and includes a bunch of handy tools. The standout feature here is its dual solution technology. You don't need to mix anything before cleaning. Just pop in the cleaner, spray, and scrub. It also comes with reversible brush heads and a pet tool, which is great if you've got furry friends making messes. However, its small tank size means you'll need frequent refills, and the 12-foot cord feels a bit short. Also, some users mentioned it might ship without the hose cleaning tool, which feels like a miss considering the price point. If you want something small and easy for spot cleaning accidents or pet stains, it's a decent option. But if you're cleaning more than one room or a big spill, it might feel like too much work. Like this video so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more product reviews just like this. Now, in 3rd place, we have a fan favorite, the Bissell Little Green. This one's been around for a while, and for good reason. It's a reliable, easy-to-use cleaner that's great for couches, car seats, and small carpet areas. It's got strong suction, a self-cleaning hose tool, and comes with a few handy attachments like a tough stain tool and a crevice sprayer. It holds nearly a half gallon of water, so you're not constantly refilling. And for something this small, it does a great job getting out everyday stains. On the downside, it's still pretty small. That means it's not ideal for cleaning large rooms. The tanks can be a bit tricky to handle without spilling, and it doesn't dry the carpet afterward, so you'll need to let things air dry for a few hours. If you're in an apartment or just need something compact for occasional messes, the Little Green is a smart buy, but for bigger jobs or faster drying, the next 2 on our list do more. Coming in 2nd is the Kenmore Spotlight, and this one impressed me with its balance of power and convenience. It's light enough to carry anywhere, but strong enough to pull up stains from carpets, upholstery, and even car mats. The extra long 20-foot cord and 6-foot hose give you great reach. It's also got dual tanks to keep clean and dirty water separate, and includes 2 cleaning tools for different types of stains. The built-in self-cleaning hose is a nice bonus that makes cleanup easier, but it's not perfect. It doesn't have a motorized brush, so you'll need to do some manual scrubbing, and a few users mentioned issues with the tanks cracking over time, which could be frustrating. Still, for the price, this is a great all-around spot cleaner for pet owners or parents. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on the best gear for your home. Taking the top spot on our list is the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe. This is a full-size carpet cleaner designed to handle big jobs, whole rooms, stairs, hallways, you name it. What really sets it apart is the combination of its powerful motor, 360-degree scrub brushes, and heated drying system. That means it not only deep cleans your carpet, it also speeds up the drying time so you're not walking on wet floors all day. The dual tank system is spill-proof and easy to manage, and it comes with a full suite of attachments for stairs and furniture. Of course, it's not the lightest option. At over 18 pounds, it's a bit bulky to carry upstairs. Some users also noted that the automatic shutoff can kick in when transitioning transitioning across surfaces, which can be annoying mid-clean. But if you want real power for deep carpet cleaning, this is the one. Whether you've got pets, kids, or just a whole lot of carpet, the Hoover is your go-to machine. And don't forget, we've linked all the products from today's review at the best prices in the video description below. Thanks for watching. If you want to grab any of the top-rated carpet cleaners we covered today, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.